Hello everyone. Today we will take a closer look on simple machines. So, what is a simple machine? A simple machine is a mechanical device that can be used to change the direction of force or multiply force. We have 6 simple machines, namely lever, pulley, inclined plane, wheel and axle, screw, and wedge. But we will focus on wedge. So, what is wedge? A wedge is a device shaped like an inclined plane that uses the sharp, narrow end to cut through a material. We will do a simple experiment involving wedge. The question will be, how does sharp wedge, which is a simple machine, make work easier? The hypothesis, which we have to try and prove if it's true, is this. The first hypothesis will be, a sharper knife will require less force to cut through a given material, while the second hypothesis will be, a duller knife will encounter more resistance from the material. Here are the materials we will use. 2 knives, which is a sharp one and a dull one. You can see the rust because we haven't used it in a while. 2 apples, and then a cutting board, just in case if I accidentally break the glass underneath. Let's proceed with the experiment. Let's firstly start with the dull blade. Now, let's cut the apple. Oh, it's so hard. I cannot move it. You can see that with the dull blade, it's so much force is actually used. Very hard to cut. Now, let's try with a sharper blade. Now this is a lot easier. You can see that's a lot smoother than this. As you see, these two, this one is a lot easier because it uses less force to cut the apple. Based on the experiment, I therefore conclude that the sharper the edge of the wedge, the lesser effort is needed to overcome the resistance. It is then proven that simple machines like wedge can really make the work easier by reducing the amount of force needed to perform the task. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. Bye!